Meaning of demography.
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 Demography. Demography is the statistical study of human populations, including vital statistics such as birth and death rates, migration patterns, and age and gender distributions. It also includes factors related to population growth such as fertility rates, mortality rates, and life expectancy. By studying demography, researchers can gain insights into the social, economic, and political factors that affect population dynamics. In addition, demography can help policymakers make informed decisions related to healthcare, education, and social services. Overall, demography provides a vital tool for understanding and managing human populations.